All right, welcome back everybody. Today we're making potato casserole. What you're gonna need is a plate, a fork, and some potato casserole. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open your potato casserole. You're gonna put it on your plate. You're gonna mush it and squish it to even it out on the plate. All right, get all that stuff off your fork. All right, next step. Take it over to your microwave and stick it in there. Now this is the god of microwaves, but you don't need the god. Then you're gonna cook it for, let's say, 237. All right, now while you're cooking your casserole, you can come over here and get your mandatory Louisiana hot sauce. All right, now while that's happening, I'm gonna give you a tour of my backyard. So you come out, you got some garbage, some charcoal, grill, gasoline, a bunch of hammock stuff. We have our failed project right there. We tried to make a solar lens. It all broke. We have our badminton net, our picnic table, and the super good hammock that's up in the trees across the whole yard. Very proud of that. Right here we have our Ace's room, which is right there. See if he comes to the window. He's streaming right now, so probably not. Got the kitchen, got the bathroom. That's our hidey hole. Under there is fun time. So yeah, this is backyard, pretty big backyard. Nice and weedy. Tons of holes, actually. We actually have a pretty big one right here. Yeah, it goes real deep. Real fun. Pretty sure chipmunks live in there because we've seen them go in there. We have our telephone poles right next to our fireplace, our horse gate for all of our horses to stay, and our shed. Oh, wonder why the baseball bat's out here. That's strange. All right, we'll go back inside. Got our microwave. That's not a microwave. All right, 42 seconds to go. Might as well show you the rest of the house. That's the fridge and the pantry. This is our tool closet. Got some tools in there. Got our gaming table, right now Seafall set up. Our hangboard, because we're cool. Our floor mirror. It's the living room. It's my little spot where I do all my work. Got our futon, couch, chair, another chair, two more chairs in the corner. Got our gaming station, got our Xbox One, Switch, Wii, PC, and a sound bar, along with our Google Home. Oh, I hear the potatoes done. Let us see. Hear that sizzle? See the brown? Smells good. That's very hot. Ow. Okay. Now that you have your potato casserole nice and cooked, you want to open up your Louisiana hot sauce and a few generous dabs. All right. Then you want to stir it up. Mix in that hot sauce nice and good. The sound of flavors melding. Get all the sides in there. Make sure to incorporate everything. And your potato casserole's done. Let's see how it is. Delicious. We'll see you next time.